Brisbane Air train now arriving on platform 6.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
The next station is Bowen Hills. Customers for the Ferny Grove line, please change trains at Bowen Hills. Now arriving at Bowen Hills Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark. Customers for the Ferny Grove line, please change trains here. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Bowen Hills, platform's right hand side in direction of travel, Bowen Hills Station.
Bowen Hills Station, mind the gap.
How are you? Oh yeah. It's just the word you say, isn't it?
It is. It is. You know, there's about 20,000
Doors
places.
closing.
Yeah.
Please stand clear.
Yeah, not bad. It's disgusting. No, last night was supposed to get really heavy fog this morning from 7.
Oh really?
So I can't think. Trucks. First thing an E-Jet's back. No. What's going on?
Customers next station today will be the Richmond Domestic Air Terminal where the service will terminate. On arrival at the air terminal, can all customers please exit the train ensuring you have all of your personal belongings. Platform this morning will be on the left hand side. We do ask, please have your train tickets or go cards ready for inspection.
Welcome to the domestic train station. Please make your way along the platform and ensure you have your ticket ready for inspection. Thank you for travelling with Air Train and we look forward to seeing you again.